The AR Blue Clean BC111HS pressure washer impresses with its powerful motor and tri-axial pump, delivering a robust cleaning performance of up to 1,600 pounds per square inch and 1.7 gallons per minute. Weighing only 16 pounds, this pressure washer is easy to maneuver, offering excellent portability and convenient onboard storage for accessories. Its versatility is showcased with the ability to effectively clean patios, siding, fencing, and cars using a 15-degree quick connect nozzle and a 25-ounce foam cannon. The BC111HS comes with dynamic accessories such as a bayonet trigger gun, bayonet lance, and a 20-foot super soft hose, which significantly reduce setup time. Featuring a total stop system, this pressure washer automatically shuts off the power when the trigger is not engaged, which helps extend the lifespan of the unit. The BC111HS pressure washer is designed for ease of use and mobility, providing reliable power and performance for all your outdoor cleaning needs.